So I want to talk to you, review a little bit the Seller Property Questionnaire. If you're buying or selling property in California, this is a great document. It's not a substitute for the residential transfer disclosure statement, but it is a very important document just as well. For the seller, it's your chance to let the buyer know about known material or significant items affecting the value or desirability of the property, and to help eliminate any misunderstandings about the condition of the property. Same with the buyer. The buyer's purpose of this is to inform you about those items, anything that might be important to you. It goes over things such as, if there's been a death on the property over the last 3 years, you'll want to know about that. Maybe you want to know if the property is located in or adjacent to an industrial use zone, something like airport uses, so you have airport noise. Whether the property is located within 1 mile of a former federal or state ordinance location where there might be explosives or munitions in the grounds. Just anything material matters affecting title to the property. This will go over it. Some other items that are in there, if there's been any repairs or alterations. Maybe there's ongoing recurring maintenance on the property that you need, like drains or sewer cleanouts. Maybe there's some structural defects in the property, or structural defects with the appliances. It'll go through that. Disaster relief or insurance or civil settlements that have been against the property. You'll want to know that. Maybe some water related or mold issues. Maybe pets or animals that have been on the property. You might be allergic to them. But you should be made aware of what has been on the property, even if it's just a odor of some kind that was there. This will let you know, or should let you know, if the seller discloses properly. Any kind of boundaries, such as or boundary disputes, I should specify. If somebody else is using the land for whatever reason, landscape and pool issues. Let's say there's some diseased trees, or operational spa heater on the property. You should know all those kind of things. Like I said, if it's part of a condominium development, or maybe there's some kind of other title or ownership legal claims that affect the property, mechanics liens, notice of defaults, a lot of different information that you should be made aware of. Section K goes through just the neighborhood. Maybe you got a nuisance of a neighbor that's driving the seller away, or just the general lots of traffic in the area. You should be made aware of these things. So this will give you some good information on that. Some government issues. For all you know, maybe the property has some kind of proposed construction going on nearby, some government facilities going in, schools, you never know. Or just maybe some other reports and inspections that have been done on the property by another potential buyer, before you, where it fell out of escrow. You should be able to be aware of all these things. So this document will help you to do that, and it's good to get it in all transactions. This video is brought to you by Rory Firks with Exclusive Real Estate Service. You could reach me direct at 858-922-2812, or email me at rfirks3@gmail.com. You can take a look at my website at www.roryfirks.com, get you some more information there, answer any questions you might have. You can take a look for properties. If you have any referrals, somebody who might be buying or selling and they're looking for some good guidance, they'd like a solid plan set forth for them, feel free to have them give me a call, and I'd be happy to provide the guidance and advise them along the way as a representative in their transaction. Thank you for viewing this video. You're viewing the video just for personal reference only and very basic reference. Each transaction is different, and your professionally licensed representative should review, guide, and direct and instruct you appropriately regarding your specific transaction. Use of any or all of the information contained herein is done so at your own complete and sole risk and discretion. For further assistance, you can feel free to give me a call at 858-922-2812, or for further inquiries, email me at eresquestions@gmail.com. Thank you very much and have a great day.